Hello friends, welcome to my channel as Tech Mantra. So friends, in this session I am going to discuss with you that what is the multiple CTE, what are the use of multiple CTE and how can we use multiple CTE with some examples. So friends, if you want to know some details about the CTE, then please refer to my one of my previous video regarding CTE. In that video, I have explained in details that what is the CTE and how can we use CTE and why should we use CTE. And also I have given there what is the limitations of the CTE. So in this session, I am going to discuss with you that what is the multiple CTE. So as we know that CTE is a result set of multiple SQL queries that remains in the memory for the scope of the single execution of insert, update, delete, merge or select statement. CTE offers logical approach to writing queries that can break the complex queries down to a series of logical steps, help to improve the readability of queries and achieve more complex result set. If we use multiple CTEs in same query, then it is called multiple CTE. Suppose I am going to use one CTE and in that CTE I have used some complex query. What I want to display the result set of multiple CTEs. So in that case we can use union all with that multiple CTEs. So you can see here that what is the syntax of the multiple CTE. So here with CTE name 1 and then column name 1, column name 2, column name 3 and column name up to n. Whatever column we have required we can specify here column name then as, and after that inside the CTE we can define here our complex queries. And after that we need to use comma, and after that comma we can again define here CTE underscore name 2. So you can see here that we can define here by using comma we can define here multiple CTEs, and at the last we can specify the query like select star from CTE underscore name 1, then we are using here union all and select star from CTE underscore name 2. So we can combine here the result set by using union all for all the CTE. That's why it is known as the multiple CTE. So here I am giving you the example and what will be the result set of that example. So in example 1 you can see here that I am using here two multiple CTEs, CTE1 and CTE2. So in CTE1 there are two columns, select one as ID and name one as name, then comma, and again we are using CTE2 as select 2 as ID and name 2 as name. After that we are combining and the result set of the CTE first and CTE second. So you can see here that select star from CTE1 and then union all and select star from CTE2, and you can see here that the result set is the combined result set of that CTE1 and CTE2. So in this example you can see here that I have used here CTE1, CTE2, CTE3. So it depends upon our requirement. So if we want to use one more than one city, two cities, three cities or multiple cities, so we can define here by using comma city 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever city is our requirement, so we can use here. And we can use here result set of that city. So you can see here that I have used a select star from city 1, then union all and select star from city 2 and then union all and again select star from city 3. And you can see here that after execution of this query what is the result set. It is the combination of all the CTEs. So it is a combination of all the CTEs. That's why we know that it is a multiple CTE. So thank you for watching the session. So friends, if you like my this session, then please like and subscribe and share this channel. And thanks very much for the watching the session.